Hello, and welcome. Have you ever wondered how some companies seem to navigate complex challenges with impossible speed? It is almost as if they have a secret advantage, a hidden map that others simply do not possess. This advantage is often not a piece of technology or a revolutionary product. Instead, it is a person, an expert brought in from the outside to see what everyone on the inside has missed. This is the world of consulting, an industry built on the power of a fresh perspective. We'll explore this world together, peeling back the layers to see how a simple conversation can transform an organization and turn persistent problems into profitable opportunities. So, what exactly is consulting? In simplest terms, expert advice to businesses for a fee. But that barely scratches the surface. Imagine a doctor for a company. When a business feels unwell, sales are dropping, employees are leaving, technology is outdated, it calls in a consultant. The specialist diagnoses the underlying issues, prescribes a precise course of treatment, and guides the company back to health. Consultants are objective outsiders, free from internal politics and historical baggage, who step in to offer insights that are clear and actionable. Businesses seek expert advice for many reasons, all critical to survival and growth. Sometimes a company lacks specific knowledge in-house. It might need to build an AI strategy, but have no AI experts on payroll. Other times, a company needs an unbiased third party to resolve an internal debate or validate a high-stakes decision, entering a new market. Often it's a matter of capacity. Existing teams are too busy with day-to-day work to focus on strategy. The consultant provides specialized knowledge, an objective viewpoint, and dedicated focus. The central hook: transformation in a compressed time frame. Solve a problem that plagued your organization for years, in weeks, not decades. Unlock a new revenue stream you never knew existed. Consulting is about turning confusion, inefficiency, and stagnation into clarity, performance, and growth. A journey from complex problem to simple, profitable solution, often much faster than anyone expects. This is the secret we are here to unlock. The purpose of our journey today is to demystify this entire process for you. We will break down exactly how consulting works from the inside out. We are not going to stick to high-level theories or vague business jargon. Instead, we will walk you through the practical steps a consultant takes to deliver real value. We will look at how they diagnose a company's problems. We will look at how they develop a winning strategy. We will look at how they help implement the changes that lead to lasting success. By the end of this discussion, you will have a clear blueprint of the consulting life cycle, from the very first handshake to the final successful outcome. Beyond just understanding the process, we will also explore the tangible benefits that consulting brings to the table. Why would a company choose to spend significant money on an external advisor instead of trying to solve the problem itself? We will uncover the powerful advantages, such as gaining access to specialized, world-class expertise that would be too expensive to hire full-time. We will discuss the immense value of an objective, outside perspective that can challenge the status quo and break through organizational inertia. We will explore how consultants can actually save companies money in the long run by increasing efficiency. We will explore how consultants can actually save companies money in the long run by preventing costly mistakes. And for those of you who find this world intriguing, for those who feel a spark of curiosity about this career path, we have something for you as well. The final part of our discussion will serve as a brief guide on how you might begin a career in consulting. It is a field that is open to individuals from a vast array of backgrounds, not just business school graduates. We will touch upon the core skills you need to cultivate. We will touch upon the kind of experience that matters most. We will touch upon the first steps you can take to position yourself as an expert advisor in your own field. It is more accessible than you might think. So, our goal is simple and direct. We are going to equip you with a comprehensive understanding of the consulting profession. Whether you are a business owner wondering if you should hire a consultant, whether you are an employee curious about the experts visiting your office, Whether you are an aspiring professional looking for a dynamic career, this exploration is for you. We will move from the fundamental problem to the profitable solution, all while showing you the secrets behind one of the most influential yet often misunderstood professions in the modern economy. Let's begin this journey from problem to profit, and let's see what we can uncover together. Let us start with a simple, clear definition. At its core, consulting is the practice of helping an organization improve its performance. A consultant is an expert on call. They are brought in to solve a specific problem or to help navigate a particular challenge that the company cannot or does not want to handle on its own. Think of it like a specialized tool. You might have a perfectly good toolbox for everyday tasks, but when you need to fix a complex piece of machinery, you call in a specialist who has the exact right instrument and knows precisely how to use it. A consultant is that specialized instrument for a business. This relationship is temporary and focused. Unlike a full-time employee, a consultant is engaged for a specific project with a defined beginning and end. Their mission is singular: to address the issue they were hired for, deliver a solution, and then depart. This temporary nature is a key part of the value proposition. It allows a business to access world-class expertise without the long-term commitment and cost of hiring a permanent senior executive. The consultant arrives, provides the needed insight or skill, and leaves once the value has been delivered. This model provides immense flexibility for the business, allowing it to scale its expertise up or down as needed. The problems they solve can be incredibly varied. One consultant might be hired to figure out why a new product is failing to sell. Another might be tasked with overhauling a company's entire supply chain to make it more efficient. A third could be brought in to help two merging companies combine their cultures and operations smoothly. The common thread is not the type of problem, but the need for an external, expert perspective. The consultant's job is to bring clarity to complexity, to find the signal in the noise, and to create a roadmap that leads from the current, problematic state to a future, more successful one. So when we say consulting, we are really talking about a service. It is the service of providing specialized knowledge, structured problem-solving, and dedicated focus to a business challenge. It is not about simply having an opinion. It is about backing that opinion with data, with experience, and with a proven methodology. Consultants sell expertise, but what they truly deliver is confidence. They give leaders the confidence to make bold decisions, the confidence to invest in new technology, and the confidence that the path they are choosing is the right one. It is a business built on knowledge, but it runs on trust. The word consulting is a broad umbrella. Underneath it live many different specializations. One of the most well-known is management consulting. These consultants are general problem solvers for senior executives. They tackle big strategic questions like, should we enter the Asian market? How can we restructure our company to be more innovative? They look at the business from a high level, setting direction and improving overall performance. Think of them as the architects of a company's future, drawing up blueprints for long-term growth. Then there is IT consulting, a field that has exploded. These experts focus on everything related to technology. They might help choose and implement a new software system. They secure networks against cyber attacks. They develop strategies for cloud computing. For example, a retail company hires an IT consultant to build an e-commerce site that can handle millions of visitors. IT consultants guide companies through the complex digital landscape. A marketing consultant helps understand customers and reach them better. They conduct market research. They develop new brand identities. Example: a coffee shop builds a social media presence to attract local customers. Financial consulting. A financial consultant advises on matters of money. They help secure funding. They manage cash flow. They prepare companies for mergers or acquisitions. Their goal is financial health and stability. Finally, HR consulting. HR consultants focus on people. They help with talent acquisition. They boost employee engagement. They provide leadership training. They design compensation structures. Example: a startup hires HR help to build company culture. And strategy consulting. Strategy consultants focus on high-level corporate strategy and work with the C-suite. Each consulting type is a piece of the business puzzle, specialized expertise exactly where it's needed most. If this helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more.